Alright, well, here's the new project. It's the, not the Focus RS. Early morning, about to head to work. Figured I'd hurry up and get this while the garage doors open. It's somewhat daylight, but... So this is a 2009 Aprilia RSV1000R. Hopefully I'll be able to get it all back together again. The motor was replaced, and that's where it pretty much sits with the, it's a used motor that got put back on it that was supposedly confirmed good. I did a compression check on it last night and got 180 PSI on both cylinders. So, hopefully it'll work out well. But the bike, just the repainted plastics and gas tank there. Gas tank's white, plastics are white and orange, I believe, mainly orange. You can, yeah, that. And boxes of parts. But the battery's still good. Cylinders get compression. Starter turns over. So far, so good. Hopefully all the wiring's there, and I'll just have to figure out what screws go where to bolt everything back up, because the brakes and everything will need to be bled and set up. This rear caliper is just hanging. I'm guessing it's pulled off to do a gravity bleed. But I don't think the bike has any fluids in it though right now. But that's the new project. Hopefully I'll be able to get this together, ride it for a little while and sell it, and the money from selling this will fund the rest of the Mustang. But you'll be seeing some videos of this, I'm sure, because I need to get some GoPro shots to document what I'm doing, and also if I have to take anything off, it'll document me putting stuff back on, or will show me where I put stuff back on, or how to put it back on. Alright guys, thanks for watching.